right there.
I see it. I've never seen one of those before. It's the first time I've ever been a flood here before, right? Well, probably been more floods, but first one I've ever seen
I've never seen anything like this really.
before.
Not here, yeah.
You've seen in different places though?
Yeah, when mommy and I lived in Florida during the hurricanes, we would see it, stuff like this sometimes.
You think there was a hurricane here?
No. I used to think the drain over there, for whatever reason, wasn't able to handle all the water.
This actually never happened. Because I don't remember any fun.
Buddy, no, come back. What?
Rainbow looking stuff in the water.
Oh, so that's oil from cars.
Oh, really? It looks rainbow for some reason?
Yeah, when oil gets into water, it makes like a kind of like rainbowish.
Oh, yeah. I remember one time we were waiting for the bus, and there was like water and oil, and the water was like kind of rainbow for some reason.
Mhm.
I thought there was a gap here. For some reason, it's only in this area right here.